Hey there, Genius Junkies! Welcome back to the channel where we turn creativity into reality. Today, we're diving into something powerful: designing a vision board in Canva. A vision board is an amazing tool to visualize your goals, dreams, and aspirations. Let's bring your vision to life. First, log in to your Canva account. If you don't have one, no worries. Signing up is quick and free. Now, let's start creating your vision board. On the Canva homepage, type Vision Board in the search bar. Canva offers several templates to kickstart your design. Choose one that resonates with your goals. Once you've selected a template, it's time to personalize it. Click on the template to open the editor. Here, you can customize the layout, text, colors, and images to reflect your dreams and aspirations. Adding images. Let's begin by adding images that represent your goals. Click on Uploads to add personal photos or find images in Canva's library. Whether it's travel destinations, career milestones, or lifestyle changes, add visuals that inspire you. Next, let's add some motivational quotes or affirmations. Click on the text tool and type in words that empower you. You can adjust the font style, size, and color using the toolbar at the top to make your text stand out. Adding icons and elements. You can also use Canva's elements to enhance your vision board. Search for icons, shapes, or illustrations that complement your goals, like arrows pointing towards your dream destinations or stars highlighting your achievements. Don't forget to play with the colors to create a mood that resonates with your vision. You can change the colors of text, backgrounds, and icons using the color tool at the top. Saving the design. Once your vision board is complete, it's time to save and download it. Click on the Share button at the top right corner and then select Download. Choose your preferred file format. PNG or PDF are great for printing, and hit the Download button. You can print it out, set it as your desktop background, or even share it on social media to keep yourself motivated. And there you have it. Your vision board is ready to help you manifest your dreams. Remember, seeing your goals every day is a powerful way to keep yourself focused and motivated. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Genius Junkie, and hit the bell icon for more awesome design tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.